Should you buy a new home before you sell your existing home? Here's a hack. First of all, you actually can do both at the same time. There are now third-party companies that will purchase your home from you so you can purchase your next home, free up your equity. So there are solves for that with third-party companies. The other thing is you need to find out the truth of the value of your existing home. Don't let someone give you an inflated opinion of value. You may say you want $1 million for your house, but get an honest answer. What will it actually sell for? Or what do you really think, Mr. Realtor or Mrs. Realtor, it's going to sell for? Find out the truth before you make that decision on your new home. That's the mistake most buyers or sellers make, is they have this inflated opinion of value of their home. They buy their next home and then they're disappointed. Remove the disappointment by finding out the truth about the value of your property. So if you're curious about how you can get a third-party person to buy your home right now so you can purchase your next home, take a look at this website, homesellingheadaches.com, and you'll see a button that will tell you exactly how to do that.